What the heck is a family office? You may have heard the term thrown around at conferences or in conversations with investors. It sounds important, but outside the inner circle, most people don't actually know what a family office is. I didn't, or why it matters more than venture capital or private equity. As I get ready to speak at the 2025 Investor Club Summit and the Global Family Office Investment Summit in France, this question keeps coming up. And it's a good one, because once you understand what a family office really is, you'll see why they're shaping not just startups and AI, but entire industries. Give me the meat! What's a family office? At its core, a family office is a private investment group that wealth of a family, or sometimes a few families together. The big difference between a family office and a VC or PE firm is intent. Venture and private equity exist to raise outside money, invest it, and then they get out. These are flips. Family offices think in terms of decades. Their mission is preservation, growth, and legacy. They're not chasing the next quarterly win. They're building generational systems. That's why they do everything under one roof: investing, philanthropy, tax prep, tax planning, real estate, and succession strategy. Think of them as stewards of both capital and family legacy. At a panel in Honolulu, it came up that family offices are behind 80% of lending in the United States. Yes, you did hear that right. They are often the ones lending to the banks themselves. On top of that, the family office world is now bigger than venture and private equity combined. Give me the beans! How family offices actually work. No two family offices look alike. Some are lean with just a few analysts. Others look like Fortune 500 institutions that fill entire office buildings with specialists in venture capital, private equity, finance, accounting, AI, clean energy, and global real estate, etc. But most of them tend to invest with three core principles. Number one, patience. They hold, they don't flip. 2, direct involvement. They like co-investing with founders and other family offices. 3, values alignment. They want investments that reflect the family's priorities, whether that's sustainability, impact, or building legacy industries. This is the exact space I focus on with my company, Windward Equity. I partner with family offices and high-integrity founders to scale businesses without stripping away the culture that made them great. I use frameworks like EOS to bring clarity and accountability, then layer in AI, automation. My operator background means I understand the heartbeat of a business. For instance, how teams function, how customers stay loyal, and how execution connects to vision. That lens matters. With Cube Dynamics, my latest venture, we build AI tools that automate the repetitive stuff: recruiting, screening candidates, creating dashboards, evaluating pitch decks, understanding customer service call, intelligence about your people, decoding team dynamics. By doing this, we're allowing founders, leaders, and managers to get their time back so they can focus on leading and growing. Systems, tools, and processes are exactly why family offices lean in. Writing a check is easy in many instances. What family offices really want is confidence in the leadership, the systems, and the ability to scale without losing the DNA that made the company investable in the first place. They don't want to run the companies. They want to install systems that allow the companies to run and grow on their own. At Cannes, I will be speaking on 2 themes. Number 1, betting on the future, AI startups and visionary entrepreneurs. Number 2, top international family offices, iconic investors who share their best priority investment ideas. Who knows, right? We'll figure that out when we get there. AI for family offices is not a buzzword or something that will change the future. That's called hype. That doesn't work in these rooms. AI is a lever for efficiency, risk management, and unlocking opportunities that others overlook. What are the potatoes? Why do you care? Family offices are quickly becoming one of the most powerful forces in global capital. They kind of always have been. You just didn't know they existed. They manage trillions of dollars. They don't panic with market cycles, and they back people, systems, and processes over hype. For founders, family offices represent more than just money. They bring networks, mentorship, and patience to the table. For investors, they're a signal of where the true wealth is moving. At Windward Equity, my philosophy is simple. We back the bold. We believe progress is about reimagining what already exists while investing in what's next. Family offices with their unique blend of legacy and innovation are central to that vision. As I prepare to speak in Beverly Hills and Cannes, my message is clear. Family offices are not mysterious fortresses of wealth. They are partners in building enduring companies that can turn bold ideas into empires. You have a question about family offices? Put it in the comments below. I'd love to connect. Don't forget to smash that like button.